morning children. Today we are discussing the preparation of alcohol and phenol. In both alcohol and phenol, the functional group is OH, but the properties differs. In alcohol, the functional group OH is attached to an alkyl group, whereas in phenol, OH is attached to an aryl or phenyl group. In an alcohol, the carbon atom is sp3 hybridized, whereas in phenol it is sp2 hybridized. First, we can discuss the different types of alcohols, that is different types of monohydric alcohols. There are three types of alcohol: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. The general formula of a primary alcohol is RCH2OH. For secondary alcohol, the general formula is R2CHOH. For tertiary alcohol, it is R3COH. That is, primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol differ in the number of alkyl groups attached to the carbon atom. R is the alkyl group. If we take CH3 as the alkyl group, the examples are CH3. R is taken as CH3. So, CH3, CH2OH. It is an example of a primary alcohol. Secondary alcohol, CH3 twice CHOH. That is, R is taken as CH3. Tertiary alcohol, the example is CH3 thrice COH. These are the examples of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. The different examples of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols are ethanol. It is a primary alcohol. Propan-2-ol. It is an example of a secondary alcohol. 2-methyl propan-2-ol is an example of a tertiary alcohol. So, this is the classification of monohydric alcohols. Then we are moving to the preparation of alcohols. Preparation of alcohol. First one, from alkene, and the second one is from carbonyl compounds. These are the general methods of preparation of alcohol. First one from alkene and second one from carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds are aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. These are collectively known as carbonyl compounds. So, first one from alkene. From alkene we can prepare alcohol by two methods. First one, by the acid catalyzed hydration. Acid catalyzed hydration. That is, this is an alkene, that is propene. When water is added to an alkene in presence of an acid, that is why it is known as acid catalyzed hydration, we obtain an alcohol according to Markovnikov's addition. According to Markovnikov's rule, the negative part of the addendum goes to the carbon containing less number of hydrogen atom. So, according to that rule, the major product is CH3, CHOH, CH3. That is, propan-2-ol is the main product obtained when propene undergo hydration in presence of an acid. By another method also we can prepare an alcohol from an alkene, that is hydroboration. Hydroboration. That means when an alkene is treated with B2H6, B2H6 is known as diborane. When addition takes place in presence of diborane, we obtain an alcohol according to anti-Markovnikov's rule. According to anti-Markovnikov's rule, the negative part goes to the carbon containing greater number of hydrogen atom. So, the major product is CH3, CH2, CH2OH. That is, propan-1-ol is the major product. So, an alcohol can be obtained from an alkene either by acid catalyzed hydration or by hydroboration. In both cases we obtain an alcohol, but one is according to Markovnikov's addition, other one according to anti-Markovnikov's addition. The second method of preparation is from carbonyl compound. It's a very important one. From carbonyl compound, how will you prepare an alcohol? Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids are known as carbonyl compounds. When an aldehyde is reduced using lithium aluminum hydride, we obtain a primary alcohol. What is the change here? CHO undergo reduction and it is converted to the primary alcohol group CH2OH. When a ketone on reduction using lithium aluminum hydride, we obtain a secondary alcohol, that is R2CHOH. Whereas a carboxylic acid on reduction, we obtain a primary alcohol. So, an aldehyde on reduction produces a primary alcohol, ketone on reduction produces a secondary alcohol, carboxylic acid on reduction produces a primary alcohol. By this method, we can prepare primary and secondary alcohols from carbonyl compound. By this method, we can't prepare tertiary alcohol, and this can be prepared by using Grignard reagent, the second method. So, this is the first method, from carbonyl compound by reduction. By reduction, we can prepare alcohols, primary and secondary alcohol. From carbonyl compound, alcohols can be also obtained by using Grignard reagent. Second method is using Grignard reagent. So, from carbonyl compounds we can prepare alcohol. The first method is reduction. the second method is using Grignard reagent. Methanol. Methanol, when treated with the Grignard reagent and the product on hydrolysis, we obtain a primary alcohol. We obtain a primary alcohol. Other aldehydes produces a secondary alcohol, whereas ketones produces tertiary alcohol. So, using Grignard reagent also we can convert the carbonyl compounds into primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, and by this method we can prepare tertiary alcohols also. So, how will you write the equation? Methanol, HCHO. This is methanol, or the common name is formaldehyde. When treated with Grignard reagent, alkyl magnesium halides are known as Grignard reagent, and it is a very useful chemical. And addition takes place. And actually nucleophilic addition takes place, and the addition product is HCH single bond O. That means this pi bond is shifted to more electronegative oxygen, and oxygen acquires a small negative charge and carbon acquires a positive charge. And to this carbon, the negative part of Grignard reagent is added. So, the negative part of Grignard reagent is the alkyl group. So, O, and the negative part goes to oxygen, OMgBr. So, this is the addition product, and this undergo hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means in presence of acid, water is added, and HOH. Then here, what is the product obtained? HCHCH3OH plus MgBrOH. That means we obtain a primary alcohol. CH3CH2OH is a primary alcohol. So, methanol when treated with the Grignard reagent and the product on hydrolysis, we obtain a primary alcohol. Then other aldehydes. Other aldehydes means CH3 is an other aldehyde, ethanol is another aldehyde. When we take CH3, what is the change here? This H is changed to CH3 and this H is changed to CH3. Then what is the answer? We obtain a secondary alcohol, CH3 twice CHOH. Whereas ketone, this is ketone. Ketone must produce tertiary alcohol. CH3CO, CH3 is ketone. So, what is the change here? This H is converted to CH3, this is converted to CH3. So, tertiary alcohol is obtained. That is 2-methyl propan-2-ol is obtained. So, by this method we can prepare tertiary alcohols also, but by reduction we can prepare only primary and secondary alcohol from carbonyl compounds. So, these are the methods of preparation of alcohol. Mainly there are two methods. First one from alkene, either by hydration or by hydroboration. In hydration we obtain a product according to Markovnikov's rule, whereas in hydroboration we obtain a product according to anti-Markovnikov's rule. Second method is from carbonyl compound. There are two methods. First one by reduction and second one by using Grignard reagent. By reduction, an aldehyde on reduction produces primary alcohol, ketone on reduction produces secondary alcohol, carboxylic acid on reduction produces a primary alcohol. Using Grignard reagent, methanol produces primary, other aldehydes produces secondary, ketones produces tertiary alcohol. These are the methods of preparation of alcohols. Then we are moving to preparation of phenol. Phenols are of great importance in our daily life. It is used as an antiseptic as well as a disinfectant, and it is used for the manufacture of acetyl salicylic acid known as aspirin, and it is also used for the preparation of the hardest polymer bakelite. So, phenol have many applications in our daily life. The methods of preparation are: first one, from chlorobenzene. When chlorobenzene is treated with aqueous NaOH at 673 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure, this Cl is substituted with OH and we obtain phenol. This method is known as Dow's process. From chlorobenzene we can prepare phenol by this method. Then the second one is very important one, from benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. This is actually prepared from aniline by desertization. When this is warmed with water, we obtain phenol. This is a very important one, the second one. When benzene diazonium chloride is warmed with water, we obtain phenol. Then the third method is from benzene sulfonic acid. This is benzene sulfonic acid. When it is treated with NaOH followed by acidification, we obtain phenol. And the fourth one is the manufacturing method of phenol, that is from cumene. Isopropyl benzene is known as cumene. So, the formula of cumene is CH3 CHC6H5 CH3. This is 2-phenyl propane, commonly known as isopropyl benzene. This is isopropyl benzene, commonly known as cumene. When cumene undergo oxidation and the product on hydrolysis, we obtain phenol, and acetone is obtained as the byproduct. So, it is more economical, we obtain phenol and acetone is obtained as the byproduct, and so it is considered as the manufacturing method of phenol. So, cumene is isopropyl benzene. So, these are the methods of preparation of phenol. First one from chlorobenzene, second one from benzene diazonium chloride, third one from benzene sulfonic acid, and the fourth one from cumene. So, in this class we discussed the preparation of alcohol and phenol. So, we can wind up today's class. Have a nice day. Thank you.